Hey there, this is Prateek from the WebHow, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add white bars to your videos in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First of all, import your footage in Premiere Pro and then right click here and create a new item, color matte, and click OK, and then select it and make it white and click OK again. Give it whatever name you want to give, and then just drag it on top of the video layer, on top of your footage, and then just extend it to the full length of your video. And then just click on this layer and then go here, and you have to change this position, and you're just gonna increase it to make it go down. And now we have got the first bar, and then what you need to do for the second bar is just hold Alt and then just drag it on top like this to create a copy, and then just select the second layer and then decrease it so that it goes upwards, and there you have created another bar. And you can just play around with this. If you want a larger bar you can do it, or if you want a smaller one you can do that too. And that is how you add white bars to your videos in Premiere Pro. If you want to add black bars to your videos, there is actually a easier way than using a color matte in Premiere Pro, and if you're interested you can click on this video to check that out. And if you're interested in more videos like these, do subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your friends who might find this video helpful. This is Prateek from the WebHow, and I'll see you guys next time.